Good morning, boys and girls. So today for your math review worksheet, all you have to do is you are writing greater than sign, less than sign, or equal to sign. So you're going to click on the pencil, and you're going to do greater than this way. And remember, when it's greater than, this inside part is always going to face the bigger number. So if I had 21, then on this side it has to be smaller than 21. So this would say 21 is greater than 9. So remember, the open part of the mouth always wants to chomp that bigger number. So if I do it this way, we would say 9 is less than 21. Again, the open part is always facing the bigger number. You can click on the pencil and do greater than, less than, or equal to, or you can click the text box if you want, put it in there. Make it smaller, or you can just put it next to it, whatever, and type in your answer with greater than. Oh, they're not going to be able to see it. You can do greater than, less than, or equal to. Whatever you prefer, boys and girls. Just do your best. Try your best. Have a good day. Bye.